Go.
Okay, start na.
Go na, go na.
Okay, thank you for that, Teacher Jacqueline. And now we're done with the weather components and the weather instruments. Now let's proceed to weather chart. Class, can anyone read what is weather chart? Can I have Legaspi to read?
Am I audible, teacher?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so weather chart. Weather chart is a graphical representation of weather conditions, showing factors like temperature, pressure, humidity, wind speed, and precipitation for a specific area over time.
Okay, thank you for that, my dear pupil. Kindly next, Teacher Palm. Okay, here class, as you can see in the picture, we have here a weather chart for April 3rd, 2025. So here, as you can see, the first line or the first column, we have the time of the day. We have the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. The second column is the temperature. We have 18 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, then 16 degrees Celsius. And the third column, we have here the weather condition. We have sunny, partly cloudy, and cloudy. So that is the example of weather chart, my dear pupils. So now, how can we interpret this one class? So here are the example. So here in the morning class, the temperature was 18 degrees Celsius, right? It was sunny with a light breeze and no rainfall. In the afternoon class, as you can see, the temperature rose to 22 degrees Celsius. So it became partly cloudy and there was light rain. And by the evening, class, the temperature dropped to 16 degrees Celsius. So the sky was cloudy. There was a moderate breeze and it rained more. So now, class, I want you to try to interpret this one. Kindly next, Teacher Pam. So here, I need three people to interpret the weather condition in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. Can I have first the morning? Can I have Teacher Jackie, Jacqueline, who wants
Can
to
I
participate?
can I have Kabuna, Igot,
Kabula,
and
for morning.
Pancho?
Okay, so for the morning teacher, I think it has a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. So there will be rain and thunder. And it's best to stay indoors and be safe, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, who next? Teacher Jacqueline for the afternoon.
Can I have a Mancho?
Okay, for the afternoon teacher, I it has 28 degrees Celsius and the sky is cloudy, but it might not rain, but it will look like a little dark.
Okay, very good. For the last one, Teacher Jacqueline.
Okay, can I have Igot?
For the evening teacher, based on the interpretation in the chart, the evening has a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, and basically it will still be cloudy, and also the air will feel cooler because it's cloudy. So then it will feel cooler than during the day teacher because it's evening.
Okay, thank you, my dear pupil. Nina, let's proceed. Teacher Palm, kindly next. So let's see if your interpretations are correct. So, morning, there will be rain and thunder. It's best to stay indoors and be safe. Wow, very good. Then that's in the afternoon, the sky will be cloudy. It might be rain, but it will look like little dark. Very good. And the last one, it will be cloudy and the air will feel colder than during the day. Very good, class. And because of that, I will give you a three claps. One, two, three. Okay, kindly next, Teacher Palm. Okay, so here we have safety precautions during different weather conditions. So Teacher Jacqueline discussed already the instrument name and the weather elements or components. So here in um, in temperature, the safety precautions when it is too cold, we use warm clothing. Did you um agree, class? Okay. In when too hot, we should drink plenty of water. Class, can someone give me another example of safety precautions when it is too cold? Can I have three people to answer this one?
Okay,
Teacher
can I
Jacqueline
have Idulantes? Is Idulantes around? Okay. Or can I have Lastimoso instead? Lastimoso.
Stay indoors, teacher.
okay, another one, teacher.
Katipay.
We should monitor our health consideration, teacher.
And last one, teacher Jacqueline.
Can I have um you? Is you around? And now can I have Igot?
Check on others' teachers, especially your family and relatives.
Very good. Those are correct, class. So give yourselves a virtual clap. Okay, so let's proceed to give me another examples when the temperature is too cold. Three again, people to answer this one. Teacher Jacqueline.
Okay, can I have Katipay?
When too hot. I mean,
We should avoid strenuous outdoor activities, teacher.
yes. Another
Okay,
one.
next can I have you?
Utilize air conditioning, teacher, of fans to keep cool.
Okay. Okay, and last, can I have Balondo?
Wear light colored, loose fitting clothing made of breathable fabrics like cotton, teacher.
Okay, those are correct, class. Thank you. Give yourselves a virtual clap. Okay, so now let's proceed to when the air pressure is I mean when the weather condition is too humid. Class, let us install natural humidifier. So class, can I ask someone what is a uh natural humidifier? Can someone discuss share their ideas what is natural humidifier?
Okay, can we have Kabuna?
Natural modifier, teacher, I think it is a natural source like plants that adds moisture to the air, teacher.
Okay, very good. That's right. Give yourself a virtual clap. Okay, so now let's proceed to weather element, which is the air pressure. And the safety precautions should we do is to induce burping. So class, what is induced burping? So it is a stimulating the release of gas from the stomach. So that is induced burping. So next is in the wind speed. So when the wind speed is too strong, we reduce effect by planting wind stoppers. So give me other examples when of safety precautions, class, when the wind speed is too strong. Can I have three people to answer this one? Teacher Jacqueline.
Okay, can I have Balondo?
Drink plenty of water, teacher.
Okay,
Okay,
next,
next one.
bukag and kabunak.
Stay away from windows and doors, teacher.
Okay, another one.
And last is
I think
kabunag.
okay. I think we should avoid consuming alcoholic drinks, teacher.
Okay, so those are correct. Thank you, my dear pupils. Give yourselves a virtual clap. So now let's proceed to the other element, which is the wind direction. So in wind direction class, in safety precautions, we consider the wind pathways before considering a structure, right? So now class, can anyone share their ideas? What is wind pathways? Teacher
Can I
Jacqueline?
have ikot?
Wind pathways, teacher, basically from the word pathways, is the pathway or like the routes in which the wind flows, teacher.
Wow, very good. And because of that class, thank you for your participation. Give yourselves a five claps. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So last but not the least is the amount of precipitation. So class, in here, the safety precautions we should do is to plant more trees to absorb a surplus of rainwater. So still, can I have some examples about this one?
Can I have Montero?
Um, Stay away from windows and doors, teacher.
Next.
Next, can I have lastimoso?
Also stay away from windows and doors, teacher.
Okay, last, can I
Next.
have chizon?
Okay, when it's raining so hard, teacher, we have to avoid playing in flood areas, teacher. Flooded areas.
Okay. Okay, very good, class. Give yourselves a virtual claps. Okay, class. I I really noticed that you really understood our topic. You really listened well to our discussion. So now, to test your knowledge or to test your how you learned from our topic with teacher Jacqueline, it's wrap up time. Okay, so kindly next, teacher Pam. Okay, wrap up time. So in here, I will state the questions and you are going to answer. All right. So from teacher Jacqueline's discussion class, can someone enumerate the weather instruments? Teacher Jacqueline?
Okay, can I have Rendon?
All of it, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, so the instruments are thermometer, hygrometer, barometer, anemometer, wind vanes, and rain gauge.
Okay, very good. Give yourselves a virtual clap, my dear pupil Rendon. And next is, what are those weather components or elements?
Okay, can I have another hand? Amansyo? Can I have Soko?
Is it weather components, teacher?
Yes.
Is it the temperature, the precipitation, the atmospheric pressure, the wind, humidity, and the cloudiness?
Yes, very good. Now class, day kuan na lang da palihog day. I mag next link ta. for the kuana quiz.
Okay, dahil leave na mo guys. Ako ni off.